Here's how to register and choose your method of payment for the New Mexico Wedding Expos. You'll likely be emailed a link to bring you directly to this page. If not, just get on nmweddingexpo.com and click on Exhibit and Advertise, and then under that pull-down menu, Exhibitor Registration. You'll see two shows at the top of the page. For an example, let's choose the January show. Under each headline you see here, a box needs to be checked under every headline except one. We'll get to that in just a minute. Let's say you want a single booth, 10 by 8 feet. There's the price. Electricity is included in your booth price. You can choose yes or no, but if you choose yes, we'll make sure that you have availability for electricity. Let's say you want electric. Now this is important. You have to choose a show that you're not exhibiting in. In this case, we're going to be in the winter show, but not the summer, so you'll need to click Not Exhibiting. A website listing of all exhibitors is no extra charge when you exhibit, or you can pay for expanded or spotlight special features within that listing. Let's go ahead and choose Basic Listing. Now this headline, Optional Other Marketing Opportunities, you can skip this altogether. If you have questions about it, click here for details and you can see the advantages of other marketing opportunities. You'll see the subtotal, the tax, and then the grand total. Then under how you would like to pay, you need to choose one of these four options. Let's say you want to be sent an invoice. Then you'll need to put in the name of your company. And under the website, be sure to include https:// and then your website. Here we'll put your email address, phone number, name, address, pull-down menu for the state. Finally, you'll need to choose your category for your listing. Let's say I'm a DJ, so I'll click on disc jockeys. At this point, you have the option of uploading an image for your listing, your exhibitor listing. If you're not ready to send a photo or your logo, you can skip this part, but we would like it soon. Finally, you'll need to scan through the rules and guidelines, the terms of service, and then be sure to check Agree to Terms of Service. Now with all of these categories filled out, except the optional marketing opportunities, you're ready to hit Submit. And we see we have a problem. The address is incomplete, and it will tell us this. So let's go down and see what we missed. We missed the zip code and put the city in the wrong place. Now, hopefully everything is filled out properly. Let's see if it submits this time. We did a successful submission. You'll know that you have a successful submission when you see this page. We have received your registration. Be sure to take some time to read some advice that we have on what you can do to get ready for the show. And also, there's an option on our website to view the exhibitor dashboard. That's password protected, but we will tell you that once you've signed up and paid. I hope this helps, and we look forward to working with you.